Hi guys, VST here, welcome back. Yet another video, second video for today. Yeah, Friday I know, but can you spot something here on the display that is not very familiar to you if you are using, let's say, stock One UI, alright? Okay, something changed, can you see it? I'm just gonna do it one more time, right? Just hit here something, go back, alright? Are you able to see, guys? Wait, now, okay, one more time. Pay attention now. Alright, okay, good. I hope you were able to see that one. It is a really very cool trick, guys. It really comes from this application called Galaxy Max Hz. This is an application created by this fellow here, Tribal FS, a senior member at XDA. This application allows you to adjust the refresh rate control on your phone. You can go to high. You can also choose adaptive refresh mode if your phone doesn't really have that native. Of course, for that we need to enable an ADB command, but I'm gonna focus just on things that you can do on the S21 Plus with this application, and I'm gonna link, of course, this link into the video description down below. For me, there are like two cool things that you can do with this application. The first one apparently is setting the refresh rate here into the status bar, because in the previous version from this application we were able to see this here in the display corner as an overlay, right? But we have right now this in the status bar. So if I remove it, you know, it's gone. If I put it back and I remove the overlay, we are just now left with the display of the refresh rate in the status bar, which I think is pretty cool. Now the second coolest thing is actually that you can set up 96 Hz refresh rate, right? You know that these phones can do 120 Hz, and of course they are calling it like adaptive refresh rate. It can go down to 60 Hz, right? But you cannot really choose 96 Hz just like this. With this application you are able to do this stock, no ADB, just install the application and boom, 96 Hz refresh rate. And of course there is a bonus, guys. There is also another bonus if you are using this application, the so-called screen off mode, guys. And let me tell you a story. When you power off your phone, it seems that the display is not really going to the lowest Hz possible. So with the screen off mode you're able to force the lowest Hz. Right now the screen off refresh rate is 60 Hz, but when you click here, guys, we're gonna be doing it together. Click OK, gonna get this menu, click install services. Now you need to search for Galaxy Max Hz, then you need to, of course, allow it. All right, then just go back into the application, going back into the application, and now we're going to be able to set it off. Now we're able to force lowest refresh rate to be used when the screen is off, of course, to optimize the battery use. We see actually it's 60 Hz for this phone, but hey guys, there is also more. You can use 120 Hz, you can use 48 Hz, and actually I can just show you guys something. If you don't believe it, I mean, yeah, if you don't believe your eyes, you can just see it is indeed 48 Hz. The optimum really is to stay on 96 Hz, and what I do love is that you're gonna get this here into the status bar. And just notice something, if you go here in the display and you select motion smoothness and you choose here the standard, which is actually 60, we're going to be seeing again 60 Hz here. We are back to 96, but hey, if you want to go and use the full 120, you have to do it from the application. This was meant to be really a short video, guys. Enjoy these bonus tips here to get really the best out of your battery. I hope you liked the video, guys. If that's the case, a sub will be much appreciated. With that said, VST over and bye.